Stale and muggy air from the summer months can be a tough thing to deal with, especially when you're sitting at the desk for long periods of time. It's like, I'm barely moving. Why am I still sweating? Well, we've got your back, even if it is a little moist, with this week's feature product. Feel the breeze from this 8-inch desk fan from Pronghorn. Compact, practical, and easy to use, this little desk fan features 3 speeds to help choose the airflow that best matches your comfort level. On the low setting, the fan operates at 1700 RPMs, providing a gentle breeze that's perfect for quiet environments or light air circulation. Switch to medium, and the fan increases to 2000 RPMs and offers a stronger, more balanced airflow. Great for everyday cooling. When maximum performance is needed, select the high speed. At 2200 RPMs, the fan delivers its strongest airflow to help circulate air quickly and efficiently. But performance isn't just about speed. It's about moving air efficiently. And this 8-inch desk fan is capable of gusting up to 600 cubic feet per minute, or CFM. That's a substantial volume of air circulating to help improve ventilation and create a more comfortable environment. Featuring a manual up and down adjustment, you can easily angle it upwards to circulate air throughout the room, or adjust it downwards for targeted cooling. And its compact size makes it great for desks, countertops, and even workshops where additional airflow can make a noticeable difference. So, whether you're feeling the heat from the summer months or it's just the stress from everyday life, crank up the RPMs and enjoy the breeze from this week's feature product, the 8-inch office desk fan from Pronghorn. What's your unique way of battling the heat in the office? Let's chat about it in the comments below. And don't forget to check back often for more 100% breezy Canadian content. Till next time!